Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best peep sight is probably one of the most crucial components for any archer or hunter serious about accuracy. This small but mighty device acts as a rear aperture, helping you align your eye with the front sight and target. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of peep sights, exploring their benefits, types, and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. G5 Meta Pro Peep Sight. Introducing the G5 Meta Pro Peep Sight. It features a convex interior, ensuring a perfect circle even when tilted. This design provides a true round aperture hole at full draw, enhancing your shooting experience. The Meta Pro's convex string groove minimizes contact, reducing wear on your bowstring. This innovative design is backed by a no-cut guarantee, ensuring its durability and reliability. Experience enhanced target visibility with the Meta Pro Peep Sight in all light conditions. Its superior design eliminates glare, allowing you to improve your precision and hit your mark every time. The innovative non-abrasive anti-glare coating provides perfect vision in all light conditions. This feature ensures that the sight stays securely in place with little to no twist, giving you a clear view. These bow hunting peep sights offer ease of installation, adjustment, and usage, saving you time and effort. Fine-tune your setup without any downtime or special equipment, making it a convenient choice. What we like. The G5 Meta Pro Peep Sight's convex interior ensures a perfect circle, even when tilted, providing a clear sight picture. Its innovative design minimizes string wear, extending the life of your bowstring. If you are looking for enhanced target visibility and precision in all light conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. Larger size for hunting really helps low light. Love the anti-glare. Exactly what I wanted for my setup. Number 4. Pine Ridge Archery Nitro Peep Sight. This is the Nitro Peep Sight from Pine Ridge Archery. It's designed to enhance your archery experience. This sight is a great addition to your bow. Available in 8 colors, you can choose the one that best suits your style. It allows you to customize your setup. Made from lightweight, high-impact resin, it's built to last. This sight is designed to withstand the rigors of the field. It includes color-matched silicone tubing that won't rot or crack. The tubing ensures a clear and consistent sight picture. The Nitro Peep Sight is designed with the perfect angle for shorter bows. It provides optimal performance and accuracy. Proudly made in the USA with quality materials. It comes with a silicone tubing aperture, 1 per package. What we like. The Pine Ridge Archery Nitro Peep Sight is made of lightweight, high-impact resin, and comes in 8 colors. It includes color-matched silicone tubing that won't rot or crack. If you have a shorter bow and want a reliable, color-customizable peep sight, this is a great choice. What people say. This is simple but works good. I got this system because the peep will line up due to the tubing. This allows me to learn how to shoot with a peep without constantly adjusting the peep during the shot process. I did drill out the peep so I could see the sight circle. Excellent peep replacement. After installation must push all the rubber hose you get on peep till it seizes by vacuum. Number 3. Aluminum Hooded Peep Sight Compound Bow Kit. This is an aluminum hooded peep sight kit designed for compound bows. It helps you see your sight pins more clearly. This will improve your accuracy. Made from high-quality aluminum, it ensures durability and longevity. The material is strong and can withstand the rigors of archery. This makes it a reliable choice for any archer. Choose from 37 or 45-degree angles to suit your needs. This provides flexibility and allows you to customize your setup. Select the angle that best fits your shooting style. The kit comes with 3 inner core sizes, 1/8, 1/16, and 3/32. These different sizes allow for a customized view. This will help you find the perfect fit for your sight pins. This peep sight is designed to improve your accuracy on the hunting sight. It provides a clearer view of your sight pins. This will help you make more precise shots. What we like. This aluminum hooded peep sight comes with 3 inner core sizes, allowing you to customize your sight picture. It is designed to fit compound bows, ensuring compatibility. If you need a versatile and adjustable peep sight to improve your sight pin visibility, consider this one. What people say. Received the sight on time and was easy to install. Satisfied with quality and shipment. Number 2. TRUGLO Centra Peep Pro Archery Sight. Consistency is key for accurate archery. This sight's unique angle design ensures perfect peep alignment, and the matte black finish reduces glare, helping you focus on your target. Crafted from precision CNC machined aluminum, this product is built to last. It can withstand extreme weather, making it a reliable choice for any hunter or archery enthusiast. Installing this peep sight is straightforward. You simply separate the bowstring strands and insert it. You might need a bow press or a friend to help, but the process is simple. This archery accessory is designed to fit any bow. It comes in 3 diameter options, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your setup. TRUGLO has been an innovator in the archery industry for nearly 30 years. They offer a variety of sight products to ensure you find the perfect fit for your needs. What we like. The TRUGLO Centra Peep Pro features a unique angle design for perfect peep alignment and a matte black finish to reduce glare. Crafted from precision CNC machined aluminum, it can withstand extreme weather conditions. If you are a hunter who braves the elements and values consistent accuracy, this is the peep sight for you. What people say. Looks nice. Quality build. No glint or blurred vision. I could see my target at 25 yards clearly right up to the last moments of light, and I hit the bread basket every time, whereas the 1.8 peep sight leaves you completely blind in low light. Installation was very easy. I was intimidated at first because I've always used a tube peep sight, but, tiring of it occasionally snapping and needing repair during shoots, I went with the free-floating version and can't imagine myself ever going back to that tethered tube version. Number 1. Archery Solutions Raptor Aluminum Hunting Bow Sight Peep. This peep sight offers dual string grooves. This feature allows archers to select the correct string angle for their setup, eliminating the need for a second peep sight. The Raptor utilizes aerospace anti-glare technology. It eliminates glare by preventing off-axis light from reaching the shooter's eye, ensuring a consistent sight picture in all lighting conditions. It features a proprietary Teflon coating. This coating provides a smooth surface and protects the string from wear, giving you peace of mind during the hunting season. The Raptor is built with all-aluminum construction. This ensures strength without sacrificing speed, unlike plastic peep sights that can break or deform. This is a versatile peep sight designed for hunters. It works well for all bow sizes and draw lengths, making it a great choice for various setups. What we like. The Archery Solutions Raptor Peep Sight offers dual string groove angles for versatile setup options and aerospace anti-glare technology. Its Teflon coating protects the string from wear. If you like a peep sight that provides a consistent sight picture in all light conditions and want to extend the life of your string, you should consider it. What people say. This worked very well in my archery setup. As advertised, great construction, nice aluminum housing. I would definitely recommend these. When drawn back, it is super easy to align this peep sight with your sight housing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.